OnePlus has emerged as one of the most popular premium phone makers in the country over the last year or so, and now the company could be gearing up to take things a notch up by bringing to the market its next flagship, the OnePlus 8 Pro. While the company hasn't announced anything about the device yet, the latest leak suggests that the OnePlus has already working on its next generation flagship smartphone. The phone has now been listed on Geekbench, revealing its key specs and some of the features of the device. As per the listing, the device could bring with itself 12 GB of RAM and come with Android 10 out of the box. The listing on the benchmarking website also reveals that the phone is codenamed Kona and will be equipped with Qualcomm's flagship SoC, the Snapdragon 865. The listing has revealed that the device recorded a single-core score of 4296 and a multi-core score of 12,531 on Geekbench. The phone's design has earlier been leaked courtesy of renders by Onleaks, which suggested a curved display on the device just like the Oppo Reno 3 Pro. The rear of the display will see a vertically aligned camera module and will also feature a 3D ToF sensor. The phone is expected to give a PON 3.5mm jack and instead just bring it with a Type-C port for both charging the phone and transferring wired audio. Earlier, we have heard rumors that the OnePlus 8 series would bring with itself 3 devices, including the OnePlus 8, OnePlus 8 Pro and the OnePlus 8 Lite. It is also suggested that the OnePlus 8 series will debut either in February or March, possibly to challenge the Samsung's Galaxy S11 series slated to launch at the same time. To keep the prices low, OnePlus might settle for a MediaTek Dimensity 1000 chipset but could still offer a triple-ray camera setup and a 90Hz display with a punch hole cutout among other things. Just a few days back, OnePlus showcased a Concept One, the company's first concept device at CES 2020. Although our memory is still fresh with the said device, OnePlus announced another event on Weibo scheduled for 13 January in China. As per the teaser image, the company might reveal some new mysterious screen technology. The teaser image posted by OnePlus official profile on Weibo says nothing except for the fact the event will be held on January 13 in Shenzhen, China, and it will involve some sort of screen tech. Also, there's an outline of a display without any notch or punch hole. Maybe the company may showcase Oppo-like in-screen camera technology. However, even though if it does, this tech will not be used in the upcoming OnePlus 8 series. This means that OnePlus might either announce a 120Hz refresh panel for its upcoming phones or something lesser known like the electrochemic glass present in the OnePlus Concept One. Whatever, we will get our answer as the event unfolds at 2 p.m. Beijing time on 13 January.